Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to clear display on TikTok. So if you clear display on TikTok for a particular video, you'll be able to watch the video without having the like button, the comment button, the share button on the video. Alright, so everything will just be cleared. So guys, let me show you how you can actually clear display so you can enjoy a particular video on TikTok. So all you have to do guys is to click and hold on the particular video that you want to clear display, and then you see all these options at the top. So just scroll to the right, and you see the clear display option. Tap on that, and it says you can actually clear display if I'm recording. So I'm actually recording my screen so I can actually show you guys how to do that. But once you click and hold on the video, you will see the clear display option right here. So all you have to do is to click on this clear display option, and you will notice that the like button, the comment button, the share button would not be found on the screen anymore, including the text, including the caption of the video. So that's it guys. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more.